How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Xbox to a soundbar right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you set your soundbar in order to connect it onto your television. So in some other cases, it can be using this audio jack. You could be using this 3-port outlet right here, or you could be using the USB cable. So just go ahead and connect your soundbar to your television, because this television is the one that we are going to use for our Xbox. So from there, you want to grab yourself an HDMI cable. You want to plug your HDMI cable onto the television that is connected to the soundbar right here. And then right after, you could just plug it directly onto the HDMI output of Xbox. Now, and by doing it this way, basically we eliminate low latency, lags, and bottlenecks. So the process will look something like this. The soundbar will be connected onto your television, and then the television HDMI will be connected to Xbox. So from there, your Xbox will output the audio from the television, and the television will output the audio to the soundbar. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.